Hello po. Just want to ask, gaano katagal na kayo na play ng violin? Is it really difficult simulan? Gusto ko po matuto. Okay. So, I've been playing for over 24 years now. So, I started playing when I was 6. And all throughout my life, no? Since I was 6 years old, nagpe-play na ako ng violin. So, 24 years strong. So, more than half, almost my whole life, diba? Nagpe-play ako ng violin. Is it difficult? Yes. No? Hindi natin maaalis yun. Mahirap talaga siya. Pero, with the proper mentor, mas madali mong matututunan. No? Hindi man mabilis, no? Kasi, of course, kasama yung learning curve dun sa sa pag-aaral niya. Diba? Hindi pwedeng alam mo agad. Kasi yung experience ng pag-aaral, yung kung paano matuto, nakasalalay yun sa'yo. So, mahirap siya, lalo na kung mag-isa ka. Kasi nga, it's not a pick up and play instrument katulad ng guitar, ng piano, na basta nasa tamang position yung daliri mo, okay na, tutunog na siya. Ito kahit nasa tamang position yung daliri mo, yung bowing ang mahirap. No? Sa totoo lang, ang mahirap sa violin is using the bow. Kasi ganun din siya eh. I mean, yes, walang frets, no? Pero pag nasa tamang position na yung fingers mo, tutunog na siya in tune. But the problem is the quality of sound. No, because 90% of the sound comes from your bow. And yung bow technique, yung isa sa pinakamahirap makuha. Because you don't do it every day. No, hindi siya part ng normal movement mo without playing the instrument. So, nagagawa mo lang yung motion na to kapag nagva-violin ka. So, it means it's very new. It's a very new, we can say, kahit nga yung feeling of holding the bow is very counterintuitive to our instinctual thinking. No? Yung kung paano tayo humawak ng isang bagay. It's very counterintuitive. So, yun yung mahirap sa kanya. Kasi, especially I think you're a bit older na, no? So, kapag mas matanda ka, meron ka ng biases and a different understanding of things. So, kailangan i-adjust mo din yun. Yung mindset mo, yung way of thinking mo, mag-a-adjust yan lahat. So, I won't sugarcoat it, sabihin sa'yo na madali na, sisipagan mo lang, magagawa mo siya. No, you have to find a mentor who will teach you and you should listen to, and hopefully it works out for you, no? Kasi kapag naturuan ka ng tama, hindi man siya dadaling sobrang dali, at least maiintindihan mo kung paano siya gawin and magagawa mo siya ng maganda. So yun, good luck sa'yo.